Hi, let's look into the prefill functionality available to you inside of BoloForms. First, head to the form editor. There, go to prefill settings. Here, select a prefill source. We will go with Google Sheet. This will be created. Here, select prefill BoloForms. Go to edit sheet. Enter the details for what you want to be pre-filled. For example, here criteria which I want to be filtered or auto-filled by is employee ID. So when one enters this employee ID, the name, email, age, and department can be auto-filled based upon that. So you can upload your own database here. After that, go to trigger question and select employee ID. This is the trigger question here. So this when someone enters the employee ID here, it will compare it to the answer column, which will this. So select the matching answer column, refresh the columns once if you've made any changes. Also remember to sync the data. Now go to answer mapping, map the answers. So employee ID will match with employee ID, the name will match with name, the email will match with email, and the amount is the required detail here. Remember to save once. Let's check it out. Here in the preview form, I'll enter one of the IDs and it should work. And this is how you can use prefill functionality in Bolo. Make sure this database is also in the prefill BoloForms tab.